Okay.
Okay, so the water boiled and we threw the macaroni in the water with some salt. And we've been cooking the macaroni. And I think it's done. You think it's done?
Yep.
You want to try one? To see if it's done? To make sure? Go ahead, try one. Tell me what you think. While we're doing that, what do you think?
Yeah, it's
I think
done.
it's done. Okay, so then we'll strain the macaroni. Put a little water in the pot, put it back over here. We're straining the macaroni, even though you can't see me. And you better get out of the way because I'm going to run over. So, put the macaroni in my platter. And the chicken should be done now. But we want to adjust the seasonings. So, do you see me?
Yeah, I see you.
Does the camera see me?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a pinch of parsley, a pinch of homegrown oregano, and a pinch of homegrown basil.
Right.
And we're going to mix it around. Then we have a can of olives which we drained and we put them in. Now the sauce already has some sliced olives in it, but I like more. We love olives in this family, except maybe for Vin. Right, Vin?
Right.
And then we put in a couple of green olives. And it makes it look very festive. And once that's in, and we still have it cooking just a little bit, and we toss that around and so the spices get into the sauce, and it's done.
Yep.
So what we do is, now we have our pasta here, we just put a little olive oil on it so it doesn't stick together.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to shut our chicken. And we're going to can you see me?
Yep.
We're going to carry over our chicken cacciatore and spoon it into our pasta.
Right.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I have a nice serving spoon. My sister gave me this as a gift one year. And we spoon it onto the pasta. And we try to get just the gravy first. So we could toss that around our pasta first.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, this looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oops. Our macaroni flew away. And when you find the basil leaf, you just throw it away.
Right. Right. Absolutely.
Okay, you mix that around and then you spoon the rest of the sauce with the chicken all over the pasta.
Right.
Does it look good, Vinny?
Yeah.
You want to get yourself a plate so you could taste it?
Maybe a thing about Nana. Saw dinner time.
For dinner time. Hold on. what I'll do is I'll get a little plate just to let you know how it came out. We got all these olives that are going on. And here's a little piece of chicken, and a couple of olives, and I'll get a knife so I can cut the chicken, and I'll let you know how it tastes. Let's see. Looks really good. It's delicious. So I'll finish putting the gravy on, and then we'll all get to eat. And we're a family of 5, and that should about feed us all.
And thank you so that soon is the chicken cacciatore with my mom
And Vinny.
and me.
Cooking with Vinny.
And thank you and good night.